What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really cool one. I'm designing and building my own robotic arm from scratch. I'm starting everything in Fusion 360 where I'll be modeling each part, figuring out how everything moves, and making sure the design actually works before I build it. My goal for this project is to create something that not just functions, but also looks clean and professional. So I'll be walking you through the design process, the challenges I run into, and how I solve them along the way. This first design is me just making the base for it. I wanted to make sure that there was lots of room for all my wires and my Arduino and breadboard to fit, and enough space for the servos to move. I had many designs for the body of this, but I chose this one because I felt as if it was the most stable and the best one out of the few that I had chose to design. A fun little fact about me, I'm not the greatest at Fusion. I have been learning Fusion these past few months, and I feel like I have made a surprisingly great increase in improvement throughout the months that I've been practicing. So if you have any tips for me, please let me know down in the comments. This next clip you're about to see is me printing the half of the body for the robot arm on my A1 Mini. One of the main problems that I had while creating the arms for the robot was not getting the correct measurements for the servo. I looked it up and I got the right ones, but when I made the little hole for it, I forgot to add the wire. And I kept doing this for both of the arms, but I overcame it by creating new arms and models for it, and that is how I overcame that problem. While making this design, I kept trying to expand the sketch for the hole one way, but in the end, I had to extrude it and expand it through the extrusion. And while going through that, I thought it was a good lesson that when something isn't working your way, there's always another way. And you should never give up, no matter how difficult something may be. This is what the finish looks like of the arms and the base. This is the simple code I made to make everything move. Okay, this is everything that I used to make the start of the robot arm. I'm still going to make a little pincher so it can pick things up, and I'll be making this more sturdy. Okay, so first I used my Arduino, it's a Uno R3. and a breadboard. And then I wasn't gonna have it plugged up to the laptop to power it, but I did send the code through my laptop. So I have this guy, 9-volt battery to power him. And then all my cables, I use these pretty hefty servos for the rotation of all 3 axes. This is it, if you're wondering. And yeah, this is it so far. There will be more videos on this coming. So yeah. I just want to say thanks to everyone for watching this video if you made it all the way through. And I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Or night, depending on whatever time you watch this. And please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.